We're making a cheese sandwich. We have green chutney. We have sliced tomatoes, black pepper, salt, ketchup, the bread and the cheese slice. The cheese slice can be cut in different shapes. I'm making a triangle sandwich today, so let's cut it in a triangle. I cut off the sides. This can be done with a regular butter knife. You don't need to use a very sharp knife. Be careful while cutting. I'm making a different sandwich. This is called an open sandwich because not everybody likes to have two slices together. Put some green chutney on it. I like to have my sandwich with a layer of chutney, and with it I'm going to put a layer of sauce. We add the cheese on top. And add the tomato. Just a bit of salt and black pepper. You can add some French fries or chips with it, however you like it. Enjoy the open sandwich.